We are redoing the band room to make it a better place for when the new students come in, so they have a better place and they feel more at home.
They've done everything from help us reorganize the room beforehand so that it can be painted and everything, and then also help organize my office, the orchestra library, but most importantly, the cabinets that they built.
The old shelves were on wheels and they were huge and the doors would never close. Hopefully these fit the instruments better.
I think for storage for instruments and for the students to have their instruments in, this is going to work so much better, and I think the kids are going to be really excited when they see them.
We felt like we wanted to impact something that had impacted us, and we kind of can see the direct result because it's in our community.
Yeah.
And I know that Elise and we both have younger siblings who are going to be coming to this school. My brother's already here, but it's kind of a nice thing to be able to like give back in a way.
It's just been super exciting to see like students that I know and everything just like doing all this crazy stuff just to help us out.
It's just kind of cool seeing the fruit of your labor.
I'm super grateful for all the work that the girls have done for us. I think it will truly change, not even just for me and Mr. D, the band teacher, but the everyday lives of our students throughout this school year. Just to come in here and everything be more organized, more conducive for learning, and just to actually have sturdy cabinets and places to store their things so that they can enjoy orchestra and band more.